Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love cookies, especially the thick, gooey, and chocolate-loaded kind, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm finally sharing my famous triple chocolate New York City cookies recipe. And trust me, this is the only chocolate cookie recipe you'll ever need. These cookies are ultra thick, soft on the inside, slightly crispy on the outside, and packed with 3 types of chocolate for the ultimate indulgence. I know so many of you have been asking for this, so let's not waste any time. Let's get baking. All right, here's what you'll need to make the best triple chocolate New York City cookies at home. Don't worry, I'll list everything in the description below as well. Wet ingredients: 125g baking spread cold or unsalted butter at room temperature, 100g light brown sugar, 75g granulated sugar, 1 medium egg, large works too, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or swap for orange, peppermint, or coffee extract for a twist. Dry ingredients: 250g plain flour, 30g cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon sea salt, 300g chocolate chips, a mix of dark, milk, and white chocolate for the best flavor. Once you have everything ready, let's jump into the fun part, making the dough. Step 1. Cream the butter and sugars. First, grab a mixing bowl and add your baking spread or butter. Next, pour in the light brown sugar and granulated sugar. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, beat everything together until it's smooth and creamy. This step is key to getting that soft, chewy texture. Step 2. Add the wet ingredients. Now, crack in your egg and mix until it's fully combined. Add in the vanilla extract or your chosen flavoring and mix again. This will enhance the depth of flavor in your cookies. Step 3. Combine the dry ingredients. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Into the bowl, sift in the cocoa powder, plain flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and sea salt. Gently fold everything together until it forms a thick cookie dough. It should be rich and chocolatey, just the way we want it. Step 4. Add the chocolate chips. This is where the magic happens. Take your chocolate chips, a mix of dark, milk, and white chocolate, and fold them into the dough. You'll want every bite to have gooey melted chocolate, so be generous. Now that our dough is ready, let's shape the cookies. Use a cookie scoop to portion out the dough evenly. For that classic New York City cookie style, weigh out 115-120g per cookie. Lightly shape each portion into a ball and place them on a tray, chilling the dough. If you're short on time, pop them in the freezer for 30 minutes. For best results, let them rest in the fridge for 1 hour. This helps enhance the flavors and prevents spreading too much while baking. Now let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius fan, 200 degrees Celsius conventional/400 degree F. Place 4 cookies per tray to allow space for spreading. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes if making the large 120g cookies, or 8 to 9 minutes for smaller 60g ones. Once baked, let them cool on the tray for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up while keeping that gooey center intact. So what makes these triple chocolate New York City cookies stand out? Thick and gooey, the perfect combination of crispy edges and a soft melt-in-your-mouth center. Triple chocolate goodness, a mix of dark, milk, and white chocolate for maximum indulgence. New York-style perfection. Extra large, bakery-style cookies that look and taste incredible. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to regular chocolate chip cookies. If you love these cookies, you'll definitely want to check out some of my other amazing dessert recipes. My ultimate chewy chocolate chip cookies, classic, buttery, and packed with flavor. Homemade chocolate donuts, baked, fluffy, and topped with a rich glaze. Fudgy brownie recipe, perfect for all the chocolate lovers out there. I'll leave links to these recipes in the description, so be sure to check them out. And there you have it, your own batch of delicious triple chocolate New York City cookies. They're thick, gooey, and bursting with chocolatey goodness. Perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. I won't judge. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how they turned out. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious baking recipes. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another scrumptious bake. Happy baking!